Okay guys, so now we have all of our flowers and our greenery in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some trees from the tabletop in, and we're going to put them in the background, because then we're going to put some owl dolls in the front. So the easiest way, because we have our wreath and our drip that makes like a stage, so we can just place them on there. But then we're going to have to wire it, and because we've made the 4 wires here, it's a good stable thing to wire it to. So again, we use our galvanized wire, the thick wire, and we wire that off, like so. And we just wire it there and make sure it's straight, standing straight. Because later we're going to put some little squirrels and owls and balls inside, different Christmas balls. So then we just wire that there. All right. And see, that's quite sturdy. So we just cut the wire off. Then have a smaller tree. Again, because I'm going to have the owl dolls here, so I'm going to put that one in the back. And again with the wire. This one already has the wire on. Again, wire it to the middle wires. It keeps it really strong. And then just fluff them out so that they look special. You see, they're very sturdy in there. Next thing we have the dolls, the owl dolls. So again, we're going to use our thick wire and put it around the neck and twist it off. Thank you, Avi. So around. Wire that off. And we have 2, so I'm going to put one on this side. And again, they do stand on the wreath, but I'm going to wire it again into the center, to the big wires. Like so. And then for the feet, I'm just going to use some strips. Thank you, Amy. And put around the feet and into the base of the wreath, into the metal part, so it's really secure. Like so. Okay, so she's in. Now the Mr. Owl. Again, we already put the thick wire on him. He's going to come in here. And again, we wire with the thick wire to the wires in the middle. So. Make sure they're looking at each other. So again, I'm going to put some strips on his legs. And the next thing I'm going to do is put in some clip-on flowers and then put the glass and also the little animals in the tree.